La 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 la. Hey Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and today on the Gitojigan we have the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadom Boozhoo, Natasha.
Boozhoo, Kakina! Hello, everyone! Welcome to the show!
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, ANIMIKIIKAA. ANIMIKIIKAA, thunder. And the song is God of Thunder by Ojindam. Kiss. All right, let's rock this thing.
You got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll, whoa. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Oh, that was really good, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the guitar, on the Gitojigan. Oh, all right.
Hey, that was great, Natasha. Well, there you have it, folks. This is Paul Stanley, and you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm Paul Stanley of KISS, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hoa. How was that? Oh, that was really good.